There are so many different types of investment in Malaysia. Some of them you are very aware of. Some of them are investments that you may have heard about once or twice, and some of them are going to be completely new. Within each investment type, we will cover some of the features or what makes it unique. Investment type 1, fixed deposit. Fixed deposit, or commonly referred to as FD in Malaysia, as a type of bank savings or investment account that promises the investor a fixed rate of interest. In return, the investor agrees not to withdraw or access his or her funds for a fixed period of time. Investment type 2, unit trust. If you've ever visited any blog in the United States, you will hear the term mutual fund quite often. However, in Malaysia, we call mutual funds as unit trust. Unit trusts are same as AMIRUL funds, where you put money in a collective investment pool with other investors who share the same appetite of security portfolio as yours. The fund manager invests this pooled fund into diverse portfolio of assets, including cash, bonds, shares, properties, and you receive a yearly return from your invested fund in form of income distribution. Investment type 3, stocks. If you are looking to invest in a company, then you can simply buy their shares from the stock market. Of course, you must have knowledge of how the stock behaves, as the stock price is closely related to the company's reputation and performance. If the company does well, your stock price will increase and you will enjoy capital gain on increased share price and vice versa. Plus, you are entitled for dividend earning at the end of the year. Investment type 4, futures. You may be wondering, what is futures contract? A futures contract is a type of investment that allows you to earn money by hedging technique. To simplify, future contracts are just like investing in stocks or commodities. The only exception is that with futures, you have the opportunity to make the transactions at a future date. For example, you can buy stocks in the market on spot and buy future contract to sell it at a higher price at a predetermined date in the future. Or you can sell your stocks now and buy a future contract to buy back the stocks at a cheaper price at a predetermined date in future. This is the mechanics of hedging. It basically manages your risk by taking position on either side of a deal to assure your profit in the investment. A future contract allows you to buy or sell a certain item at a specific date in future at a predetermined amount. The underlying assets for which you can buy future contracts can be divided into two types: commodities and financial. Commodity futures involves assets such as oil, gold, livestock, food, metal, and energy. Financial futures include stocks, treasury bills, certificate to deposits, bonds, and foreign currencies. Investment type 5, exchange traded funds. Exchange traded funds has the best of both stock and mutual fund. As it behaves like a mutual fund, the money you put will be invested in a diverse set of securities. ETF actually follows an index fund on the market, and the composition of securities it holds is similar to that benchmark index fund. This is done so that the ETF performance can replicate the index fund it is tracking. Since you can buy the ETF fund units like stock, you will be exposed to market risk and your investment will impact as to how your securities perform in the market. Investment type 6, cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that have different purposes. Some currencies are meant to be like real currency, to be able to be freely spent on daily life, whereas some other currencies are meant to provide a way for businesses to make their operations more efficient. These currencies allow you to make online purchase and exist in only digital form. Cryptocurrencies are not backed by government and banks. You can find them in decentralized databases as coin or token entries. You can invest in cryptocurrencies much like Forex, the difference being that their value do not depend on fiat currency. Its value depends on its high demand. If people want to own a specific currency, the value of that currency will go up. Cryptocurrencies are various forms. Some are straightforward currencies like Bitcoin. Bitcoin has networks data ledger where your amount will be recorded time, sender's and receiver's address. Other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum are created as a part of high-tech blockchain platforms. They are defined as smart contracts to trade in digital market. Then there are private-centric cryptocurrencies like Zcash, Zcoin, and Monero, where you can invest anonymously. The most common cryptocurrencies found in Malaysian cryptocurrency exchanges are Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Dash, and Dogecoin. To start trading in cryptocurrency, first you have to buy some from cryptocurrency exchange. Most exchanges encourage buying in Bitcoin first, as Bitcoins are easier to trade for other cryptocurrencies. Investment type 7, real estate. So now it is time to talk about commercial properties. Investing in commercial property offers you more chances to capitalize on assets to maximize returns on your investment. You can choose from these 4 types of commercial properties in the market: retail, office lots, mixed developments, and industrial properties. In general, what all of them have in common are higher rental rate and faster capital appreciation than residential properties. Besides, you have no restriction on the number of commercial properties you purchase, and the bank also offers you as much as 85% loan financing for each of your commercial property investment. Investment type 8, gold. Gold is one of the oldest investments that humans have made. Previously, world currencies were backed by commodities, such as gold, but over time, we have become highly dependent on fiat money. People tend to use gold to hedge against fiat money because there is a limited supply of gold in the world, and because people believe that no matter where you are in the world, gold will always be accepted and treasured.